Alright, here we're going to take a look at graphing y equals 1 half x squared. So again, we try to label ax squared plus bx plus c. We notice that there are no b and c terms, so that means that b equals 0 and c equals 0, and therefore a equals 1 over 2. So we're going to plug that into our vertex formula, so I get negative over 2 times something. So b is 0 and a is 1 half. Well, this part doesn't really matter because I have 0 divided by it, which is still 0. Plug in 0 into 1 half x squared. 0 squared is 0 times a half is still 0. So my vertex is 0, 0. I'm not going to try to factor this. Okay, I can set it equal to 0 and not just find my roots are 0. Because it's a single term, I have to find points. Okay, so we're going to try x equals, and we're going to use opposite values. So one will be positive and one will be negative. Since it is 1 over 2 x squared, okay, I want to use the bottom part, okay, and use that as my value for x. So x equals plus 2 and x equals negative 2. So let's work it out. I got 1 half times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. Half of 4 is 2. So there's your point, 2 and 2. Okay, now we're going to plug in negative 2. So I have 1 half times negative 2 squared. Well, negative 2 squared is 4, and half of 4 is 2. So there's your other point, negative 2 and 2. So now let's graph it. We're going to graph 0, 0, 2, 2, and negative 2, 2. Okay, so let's see. We said 0, 0. Then we said negative 2 and 2, and 2 and 2. Okay, and then we're going to draw our curve upward to these points. Okay, and then we're going to do the opposite side over here and get our approximation.